Welcome to Netiquette Next. Today I'm going to present how to make a Google account for your personal use. I'm going to search here in the URL bar the Google account. It appeared here. I have clicked it. I'm going to click this. Here is the option create an account. We're going to create one. You have to write your name first. For example, I am just demonstrating it. I'm not writing my name and I am just writing a random name. I have right here the Klaus. I am writing Michelson in the surname. I'm gonna open a notepad here. What I have write in the previous was Klaus Michelson, just to remember. The date, birth, month and year I have to write. For example, in whichever you are born, you have to write it here, and then you have to select the gender of your personality. For example, I have choose the male here. I'm gonna click it on the next. It has given me the options. I can choose these one, and I can also create my own Gmail address. For example, the klausmichelson@gmail.com, but I'm gonna choose this one. This one looks convenient to me. I'm gonna click on next. It is asking me to write a password. It is asking me, so I am gonna write Mike.123. Whatever I'm gonna write, I have to next. I'm gonna write it here as well, just for the remembrance. If you have another email account or your any email account in your access, you can write that here for the recovery email. I'm gonna skip it for now. Then you have to choose the state here and have to put your phone number here. I'm gonna skip it now, but you have to write that. Review your account information. I'm gonna put on the next, and then I have to read this all the instructions given by Google, and then I have to click on I agree. It is processing. Now I can use this Gmail account according to my needs, and I can put it. Google has welcomed us on the page. Now we can use this Google account as we like, as we require. We are gonna check our Gmail. It appeared here. I'm gonna click right on it. Now Google has confirmed and is congratulating us that we have completed our Google account. That's for now. We will be here soon with the next video. Thanks for watching. Please keep liking and watching our videos and channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and be blessed.